Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can screen record on Mac. So to actually screen record on Mac, as you guys can see, that's what I'm currently doing. I would recommend using this program right here. It's called OBS. So type in OBS download in the search bar. Click on download OBS Studio, guys. And right here, select your operating system. Go ahead and click on Apple and just go ahead and finish the entire downloading process. Once you guys have downloaded it, go ahead and open it up. And right here, for you guys, this will be a completely black screen. So go ahead and click on the plus button, click on macOS screen capture, click on OK. And now you guys can choose in your built-in display. You can also resize this however you want, as you guys can see from this. You can also play around with your settings. So we can change the base resolution, we can change the outputs we can also change the bitrate and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically how you guys record. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.